Hey everyone, I'd like to show you how the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP for searching data works. Excel has powerful lookup functions like VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP searches for a value in a table and returns related data. For example, to find the code, product name, price, and stock of a product in a table, use the following VLOOKUP functions, which look like this: lookup, then uh, the lookup value will be on column A, which is A10, A3. Then gonna fix it with the F4 in the keyboard, then comma. Then the next one would be the table array from A3 to D6. Then I'm gonna fix it again with F4, then comma. And the next thing is the column index. The column index would be number one since it's on column A. So column index one, comma. Then I'm gonna find the exact match, which is false. Just double click, then close it, then enter. Then all I have to do is just copy it down all the way to stock. Then I got all A10. So what I have to do is just change the column index from 1 to 2 to get the orange product. Then change the column index number 1 to 3. I got price of 48, and then just change the number 1 to 4 to get the stock number of 100. So there you have it. This is for the VLOOKUP functions. Now let's go to the XLOOKUP, which is even better. It can search both left and right. Understanding this function can save when working with large data sets. So how does it look? It looks like this: XLOOKUP. Okay. Then the first thing that we're gonna do is gonna get the lookup value, which is A10. Do it like this, and then okay, comma. Then we're gonna get the lookup array, which is from A3 to A6. Then I'm gonna put a comma. Then the return array is on the same range, A3 to A6. Then close it, then enter. So we got the A10, okay, the product code. Then for the product name, X lookup again, okay. Then the lookup value is, let's say, orange. So put it inside the quotation mark, orange, quotation mark again, okay. And then comma, the lookup array is on range B3 to B6, okay, comma. Then again, do it again, B3 to B6, then close it, then enter. Then you got the product orange. So if you're having a large list and there are several oranges in the product name, then all the oranges will be captured. Okay, so X lookup again, then lookup value would be the, now we're gonna find the price of 48. So just write the 48. It's a number, so no need for quotation mark, then comma. Then lookup array is on C3 to C6. Okay. Then comma again on the same range. Then close it. Then enter. There you have it. You got the 48. And then the last thing that we're gonna find out is the stock number. How many stock do we have for the product orange? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna again do the X lookup, and then lookup value of 100, okay, comma, then lookup array in D3 to D6, comma, then arrange, get again the range of D3 to D6, then close, then enter. There you have it. So these are the two different lookup functions, the VLOOKUP and the XLOOKUP. Thank you for watching.